Hi, this is Robert Honey with LE Digital Signs, and this is a training session on LED Editor 9 monochrome signs. Okay, we'll start with clicking the icon. And to start with a couple of things, the operation manual icon is here. It's a pretty thorough manual, and also you can find it through the help. And also, since this is a monochrome red sign, you can also default your font to red. This program is actually for full color, so you can go to default parameters and default your borders and your font to red, where you don't have to change it every time you type in text. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you'll do is start a new program. Go to New, or you can click this button here. And the first thing you always want to do on a program is click this button and add a step. And then this button is to add the file, and we'll start with text window files. And this is where you enter it into the list for the screen. So click that button and type in your text. Okay. Highlight that and make the font bigger. I use Arial. There's a lot of fonts that you can choose from. I like to make it bold. And you can center it, and line spacing is here. Okay, and this is the speed. I usually put that around 2, 1 being the fastest, on how fast it comes in and goes out. The stay speed is how long it stays there before it goes out, and it's at tenths of seconds, so we'll put it in at 4 seconds. So we'll put 40. Okay, there's page 1, and we'll go ahead and add another page and type in our text. Okay, we'll make that bigger. Okay. Again, we'll do 2 and 40. And we'll add one more page. Okay. Two and 40. Okay. Now there's our third page. We'll also go ahead and add a JPEG, a picture. And anytime you add a picture or a video, you have to add another step outside of the text files. So we'll go back to this button and hit add a step, and then add another file, which in this case will be file window. And then we'll go down to our list button and find the picture that we'd like. And this is how fast it goes in and how fast it goes out. This is how long it stays, and we'll go ahead and put that at 4 seconds as well. Okay, and then we'll need to save our program. We'll call it Demo Red. Let's see what we have. Okay, now we have our program put together. We'll need to go ahead and send it to the sign. The processor in the computer is actually inside the sign. So this is Wi-Fi, so we'll go, disconnect from the internet, and we will connect to the sign. Okay, and then to send it to the sign, you hit this button here, and you always have to make sure that your IP address is correct for your LED sign, which that will be supplied to you, and hit the send button. Okay, so the program did send and it's finished, and you're good to go. Another thing I'd like to cover too is the scheduling. You can schedule the sign to come on and go off, and also for brightness. So go to Control, go to Adjust. Oops, sorry. Go to Control, Schedule Table Setup. Let's go ahead and take these out and start over. Make sure you activate the schedule, and then go to Add, and we'll go ahead and turn on the sign. It's military time, so we'll turn the sign on at 7 or at 6 o'clock in the morning. Okay, and I always like to use the days. I usually do the 7 days a week to come on in the morning. Okay, click OK, and then we'll turn the sign off. So go to Add, go to Turn Off, and we will turn it off at 9 p.m. So military time, 2100. Okay, and again, click all the days, and click OK. Okay, again, now that we have this set, we need to send it to the sign. So hit the send button. Okay, it is successful. And to make sure you can read back from the sign. Okay, and there's our schedule. So that sent good. Click OK. Okay, and then you're done. Okay, that was a short, simple training on the monochrome. I appreciate you joining us, and have a wonderful evening.